Hello ballerinas, welcome to ballet class with Miss Jasmine. I'm so excited to dance with you today, but oh wait, I've forgotten to put my hair up. That's much better. Now I can spin and spin without worrying about my hair getting in my face. Let's begin right away together ballerinas with our hands on our hips and our feet in first position. Can you do first position with me? That's awesome. Our heels are glued together in first position. Now with our arms in front of our belly button, this is also first position with our arms. Can you do a demi-plie with me and make a big diamond with your legs while holding a big round ball in your arms? Maybe a snowman. Now the snowman also has a head, right? Let's take our arms above our head and frame our beautiful faces. Now take your arms down and up into our butterfly arms while on our demi-pointe. Flying your butterfly wings up and down and up and down. Why don't we add a ballerina turn to this? And another ballerina turn. Beautiful dancers, come back to first position. Now you ballerinas remember how to sit down like a dancer. Take one foot behind, kneel down on the other foot, swing your legs around like a mermaid, just like this, all the way around. Excellent, and let's practice our toe point. So flexing our toes up to the ceiling and pointing our toes down. Now remember, when we sit up tall, ladies and gentlemen, we sit up like we have a pair of fairy wings on our back or a tiara or a fancy crown on our head. Turn out your feet to first position. Doesn't this look like bunny ears? What's special about bunnies? That's right, they have big, long bunny ears. Can you make big, long bunny ears with your feet in first position? Excellent job, ballerinas. Take your arms up above your head and let's twinkle star our fingers down to our toes, making our fingers sparkle to our toes, sniffing our knee. Let's do that one more time. Make your fingers twinkle and sparkle to your toes. Beautiful, ballerinas. Take the soles of your feet together in our butterfly stretch. Now, where do you want to fly to today? That sounds like a great idea. Let's sniff our toes for 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, those are so smelly. Where else can we fly to today? All right, sounds good. Plug your nose and let's smell. All right, sit back up, ballerinas. Now for the rest of the day today, ballerinas, keep your back tall like you have a beautiful tiara or crown on your head. So swing your legs around like a mermaid once again. Tuck your toes underneath and let's stand up on our 2 feet, standing up delicately like a ballerina. Very nice, dancers. Back into first position. Let's learn a new step called balance. Can you say balance? Let's point our toes to the right side, also known as tendu, which means to stretch. Step on that foot. Now take one foot behind that leg, step to the back, and then step in front again. This is called balance. Let's try the second side. Tendu point, step down, step behind, step down. Let's keep going. Step tendu, step to the side, up and up, down, up and up. You can do it 2 ways. You can step up twice or like this, step down. Let's try again. Step down, up, down, down, up, down, down, behind, in front, side, behind, in front. Beautiful, ballerinas. Now, just like the princes and princesses of the court, we have to show off our really snazzy shoes. So tendu, point your foot in front to show off your shoes. And let's do the other side. Your shoes look spectacular. Let's do the other side again. Keep your crown on your head. And can we do it to the side? This is tendu on fondue. I bend one knee and point the other foot. Beautiful, dancers. Now I have a challenge for you. Can you keep your crown or tiara on your head in arabesque? Try it. Stand on one leg, take the other leg as high as you can. Beautiful. Let's try the other side. It's almost as if you're reaching for a delicious cookie in a cookie jar. Reaching one hand in front Up tall, staying up on one leg with your crown or tiara on your head. Excellent, dancers. Beautiful job. I have another challenge. Can you keep your crown or tiara on your head while we walk through the court? Presenting our heels in front and pointing our toes. Keep your head up tall, don't look down, and keep your tutu level. Beautiful, ballerinas. Let's walk the other way, keeping our crown or tiara on our head. Those were some graceful walks, dancers. Now I have one last challenge for you. Point your toe to tendu to the side, touch your toe to your knee in passe or retire. Did you keep your tiara or crown on your head? Let's try the other side. Point your foot, bring it to the knee, and put it back down. Beautiful work, dancers. To celebrate, let's jump for joy doing these spring points. So tap your toes in front, but stay quiet. Now use your arms to help you. Fly them like a butterfly. Let's finish with a ballerina turn and come back. Very beautiful, dancers. Now I want you to wish upon a star with me. Close your eyes and think of something you want or want to wish for. And on the count of 3, 2, 1, say it out loud. Now just like a shooting star, take your arms up above your head, let them open and explode out. Let's do that a few more times for our Pointe bras, looking up to the sky at all the beautiful stars. Incredible, ballerinas. Very lovely port de bras. Now that balance step was really fun, wasn't it? I think we should do it again too. Let's try it. So take your toes out to the side in tendu, and we're going to step over to the side, behind, and in front. On your marks, get set, and go! Beautiful, ballerinas. Let's learn one more fun and new step today. Take a step in front in 5th position. Coup de pied, 1 foot behind. You're going to step behind, to the side, and in front, like you're making a square. So step behind, to the side, and in front. Now try it again, but go up, and down. Let's do that one more time, making a square up, and down. This is called pas de bourrée. Now, who remembers what we do at the end of class again? That's right, we do a curtsy. We do a curtsy to say thank you to the teacher, thank you to you, and thank you to everyone who watched us dance and enjoyed our dance. Thank you again, dancers, for today's class. I'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, and bye now. Happy dancing.